Until next time on Animal Atlas.
Hey, neighbor, could I borrow a cup of brown sugar?
Oh, it's always something with you, isn't it? Get out of here.
Fine, I'm keeping the lawnmower then.
Yes, closer. I can wait.
All right, everybody, stay close. Now, we're looking for the Sea Concourse. See, is that it over there? I can't read that sign.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Hey, you're out of the water. That's cheating.
Your eyes are open. That's cheating too. Let's call it a draw.
Yep, when I moved to the jungle, none of these malls was here. Just the pharmacy, the five and dime, and that was it. They really built this place up.
Now this is what I call lunch a la carte.
Once again, we've traveled the globe from North and South America to Africa and Asia to Australia and every fascinating place in between. We've met all kinds of incredible animals and learned some important facts about their ability to survive and flourish on our planet. And with our help, we'll make sure they're around for a long time to come. Join us next week for another amazing adventure on Animal Atlas.